Hey, good morning. It's November 4th, 2024. Just shooting an exterior walk around video of this 1993 230 GE pickup convertible conversion that was done by a company called Fair Trade Imports out in Europe. Been driving this car for the last 2 days. Over the weekend, it was quite a fun vehicle to drive around in, getting a lot of thumbs up, a lot of questions about the vehicle. It has a removable hardtop, which is presently off the vehicle. We just removed it. Beautiful leather interior. Very nicely executed build. Really like the blue stitching. It's got a Bluetooth stereo head unit, power windows. Nice sized bed. I'm presuming it's about a 6-foot bed. I'm gonna get a tape measure and measure it. Very cool truck. It's a very solid, very clean build. I mean, real nice, high quality build. Body of the car is really nice. There's no bubbles in the paint anywhere. Car's wearing all matching Kumo tires on all 4 corners. I believe at 2018 date codes. Very, very clean truck. Drives fantastic. Paint is very nice. Body is really nice and straight. Really a nicely executed build. This car sold to the current owner in 2021. It was on Bring a Trailer, so you can see photos of the restoration when it was done. And really nice build. Finished in like a dark blue metallic. I believe it is a Mercedes paint code. I'll have that information by the time the auction goes live. Engine bay is nice and clean. Truck runs fantastic. All power options work. It's got a nice Bluetooth Alpine head unit. Showing 33,344 kilometers. Very cool truck. Nice quiet 4-cylinder engine. Smooth running engine. Just a very cool, unique vehicle. Perfect truck for beach town or if you want to take it off-road. Will be coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. Today is November 4th, 2024. I want to wish everyone the best of luck.